Hey everyone, Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing and occasionally carpet cleaning nerds. This was a commercial job, some 10,000 square feet of Axminster carpet, which is a type of weave. I love dialing down, learning new techniques. This was really fun, delving more into carpet world, but yeah, 10,000 square feet of carpet. I'm gonna show you some video here. Did some hot water extraction, used some great detergents appropriate for this wool Axminster carpet here. Giant hotel job. Take a look at some of the stuff that we did here because it was like the hallways just went on and on forever and ever. I enjoyed this job. It was a different kind of skill set. Very routine. Once you got the standard operating procedure and the routine down, it was great. We had a two-person crew here. We had the fan set up. And have we covered some square footage over the last, a couple of days. About 10,000 square feet of carpeting here at the Zermatt. Just one area, so we're getting everything dried out. We moved a little bit of the furniture. We've done a hot water extraction. We've actually extracted quite a bit of nasty, gunky stuff out of the floors. And that's just pretty typical in a hotel, high traffic scenario. These rugs here, they do hide the dirt fairly well, but it was pretty amazing to see all that black dirt coming out of the carpets. Hope you're having a great day. Nick from Carpet Cleaning Nerds.